So how do you get ahead of 99% of your competitors in your e-commerce niche? That's exactly what I'm going to be talking about today in this video, so let's get right into it. So if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've built my own e-commerce store, Nancy Home Store, to around $9 million in sales. And now I'm helping other e-commerce store owners to essentially do the same thing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So today I'm in the beautiful Santo Domingo here in the Dominican Republic. As you can see, it's quite amazing out here, very warm as well as just amazingly beautiful. And actually today's subject is about history, because the way to get ahead of your competitors is by studying history, studying the greats. So for example, Christopher Columbus, who was in this place, conquered this place, studying different persons like Alexander the Great, how they managed to conquer like a crazy amount of the known world today. Basically by reading a ton of books, reading biographies, you're just gonna build your fundamental knowledge in a way that none of your competitors have ever done. And this way you're just gonna beat them basically automatically, right? Because you'll be able to base your decisions on that fundamental information from people that have done amazing things. And basically when it comes to learning from those great individuals is that you can, so for example, Napoleon Bonaparte, you can read his entire biography. You can read about Alexander the Great, about Genghis Khan, Christopher Columbus, like all these very sort of large individuals. You can really get into their minds and basically use that as a model for how you operate yourself, right? And it also makes you realize probably that what you're doing is quite small compared to what these people were up to and what they have been able to achieve in their lives. For example, also Elon Musk, if you read about him, like all the different things he has been doing and he is doing to this day, like you just growing your e-com store feels like almost nothing compared to that, right, in retrospective. So basically, or in retrospect. So basically, I highly recommend to read about these people because it just opens up your mind. It makes you see different things that are possible in this world, that you can do great things. Literally everything is possible with like the current day and age, because you have the internet. If you're watching this, you have a phone, you probably have a computer, you have everything that you need to really make millions and millions of dollars in e-commerce sales, right? So just wanted to give you that sort of life hack that has helped me a lot. Also just to sort of extend my attention span. It really is very good to just read thick books, and they are very nice books to read as well. It's very fun. So highly recommend to do that. Let me know if you have any questions about it in the comments down below. Of course, I read all the comments myself. Also, feel free to check out the link in the description talking about how we basically help e-commerce stores to grow. I don't really mind if you click it or not. I just hope you got a ton of value out of this video, right? So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.